So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to trim audio of a video here in InShot. So once InShot's opened up, I'm going to go ahead and record some audio. So go press on audio right here. I'll then press on record example audio. There's my audio right there. So here I'll just go ahead and play quick. Example audio. But if you wanted to trim maybe the before and after, for example, go ahead and press on the audio right here. Then go ahead to where it says edit. Now right here example you can go ahead audio and just trim it just like this. If I wanted to go ahead and trim example the start audio, and the end, and then press on OK, I'll play it again. Example audio. I've now trimmed the before and after. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can trim the audio on a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.